How to see hours played on PS4. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll simply guide you through the steps on how you can see your hours played on PS4, so make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to see hours played on PS4, it's actually quite simple. Now you have a PlayStation 4 and now you want to check hours played for a specific game, which means the amount of hours that you have spent for a specific game. Let's say you've been playing FIFA 19 for quite a long while and now you want to simply find out for how many hours you've played it on PS4. Well, to do this, all you have to do is simply hit the upper arrow button over here, and then over here you should be able to find this option called Profile. Make sure to go to Profile. When you go to the Profile option over here, you'll be able to see all this option where you simply need to go to the Games option. Now so far I have not yet played any game as much as I can see the progress, but if you have played any sort of game like that, you'll be able to see the trophies, the progress, and also the number of hours that you've spent for a specific game on your PlayStation or PS4 console. And this way you'll be able to go ahead and then basically see hours played on PS4. Hope this video was helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.